morning, miss. Right? I was stuck in traffic and all the cars moving really, really slowly.
I see, but please next time try to leave earlier. We cannot always use traffic for an excuses.
I totally understand. It won't happen again.
Alright. Hello, Adit. Where are you? We have already started the meeting.
Good morning, Miss. I'm really sorry, but I won't be able to come today. I wake up with a hay fever and the doctor advised me to rest.
Oh, alright. Thanks for letting me know. Take your medicine and get well soon, alright? And please try to inform us earlier, okay?
Yes, Miss, I understand. Thank you for understanding.
Okay, bye. Well, this is the two of us now. Let's start with project update.
Okay, miss, I'm ready.